In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to download Adobe Premiere Pro for free on your PC or Mac. First, click the link in the description below this video. That link will take you directly to Adobe's official Premiere Pro page, the safest and most reliable place to get the software. Once there, click the Start Free Trial button. You'll need to select a plan, individual, business, or student/teacher. For this guide, we'll choose the business plan, which grants you access to the full 14-day free trial of Premiere Pro. You can also activate a 7-day trial of Adobe Stock, which lets you download and keep 10 premium assets. After making your selections, hit Continue to proceed. Next, enter your email and fill out the brief form with your personal information and payment details. Don't worry, Adobe won't charge you during the trial as long as you cancel before it ends. After reviewing the terms, click Agree and Subscribe. You'll then create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install it and sign in with the email and password you just created. Within the Creative Cloud app, go to the Apps tab, find Premiere Pro, and click Install. The download will start automatically, and once completed, you can launch Premiere Pro and start editing like a pro right away. That's all there is to it. Now you have the full version of Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer, ready to use with all features available throughout the free trial period. If you found this guide useful, be sure to use the link in the description to download Premiere Pro directly from Adobe and support our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the following video.